All right, number 70 on page 588 says, refer to the figure, show that the angle alpha plus beta is equal to the angle y. I think it's gamma. I'm not real good with my Greek letters. My bad. So, yeah, this one's a little bit hard to get started, I kind of think. Let's just kind of get something on our paper. For example, I know the tangent of alpha is 4 over 6, also known as 2/3. I also know the tangent of beta would be 3/4. I know this angle here is pi halves minus alpha, and this angle here is pi halves minus beta. Therefore, this angle is pi halves minus alpha, and this angle is pi halves minus beta. And the relationship between these three angles on the inside is, well, the angles inside a triangle have to add up to 180, which is pi. So pi halves minus alpha plus pi halves minus beta is equal to, I'm going to pause this and make sure it's gamma. Yeah, I was right. Yay me. If you look on the sheet that I gave you at the beginning of the year with the Greek letters, that's the small case gamma. I'm a little embarrassed. I should have known that, but that's okay. Oops, I'm sorry, this is wrong. This angle plus gamma is equal to pi. So pi halves plus pi halves is pi. So gamma, subtract pi from both sides, move the alpha and the beta onto this side. So there I proved that your gamma is equal to alpha plus beta. I proved this statement here, which was the first step of this problem. Now I'm supposed to find the tangent of gamma. Well, the tangent of gamma is the same as the tangent of alpha plus beta, because gamma is equal to alpha plus beta. And if I know what the tangent of alpha and the tangent of beta is, then if I could just rewrite this somehow so that I could have a tangent of alpha and beta instead of the tangent of the sum, which is using our identity. This is the tangent of alpha plus the tangent of beta over 1 minus the tangent of alpha tangent of beta. Yes, you do have to put that formula to memory. Sorry. And plug in our numbers. Tangent of alpha is 2/3 plus 3/4 over 1 minus 2/3 times 3/4. You'd be surprised, well, I shouldn't say that. You guys need to be able to simplify these fractions. You'd be surprised how many people screw it up, I guess. So be careful, be deliberate. Take a 2 out of here, take a 2 out of here, so that's a 6. I'm going to write this as 6 over 6. All right, so this is 8 plus 9 over 12 over 6 minus 3 over, oh crap, on the bottom I can reduce that even more. Take a 3 out of this and a 3 out of this. It basically just leaves me with 1/2. So 2 over 2 minus 1 over 2 is 1 over 2. So that is 17 over 12 multiplied by the reciprocal, 2 over 1. That is 17/6. Okay? Different little problem, but that's it.